You're watching Tap Tech, the channel where we break down the latest tech and show you what it's really like to use every day. Today, we're looking at the DJI RS4 Mini, DJI's compact and lightweight gimbal designed for creators who want professional stabilization without the bulk. Right out of the box, the RS4 Mini impresses with its build quality. It's crafted with magnesium alloy, which keeps the weight down to just about 1.3 kilograms, while still feeling rock solid. The compact design is perfect for run-and-gun shooters, travel vloggers, and anyone who needs a gimbal that's easy to carry but doesn't compromise on performance. Balancing your camera on the RS4 Mini is straightforward thanks to the redesigned quick-release plate and adjustable mounting system. It supports cameras up to 4.5 kilograms, covering everything from mirrorless setups to lighter cinema cameras. Once balanced, the motors handle everything with silky smooth precision, even when you're moving fast, walking over uneven terrain, or making complex shots. Performance is where the RS4 Mini really shines. The 3-axis stabilization ensures steady footage that looks professional and cinematic, cutting out jitters and shakes that handheld shooting often produces. It offers multiple follow modes, including pan follow, lock mode, and full follow, so you can customize how the gimbal reacts to your movements. The addition of a joystick and touchscreen on the handle gives you quick control over settings, focus, and shooting modes without fumbling with your camera. One of the standout features is the new Titan stabilization algorithm that powers the RS4 Mini's motors. This system learns from your movements in real time and adjusts motor torque dynamically to keep shots smooth and fluid. Whether you're doing slow, cinematic pans or quick action sequences, the RS4 Mini adapts flawlessly. The gimbal also supports creative features like time-lapse, motion-lapse, and panorama modes built into the DJI Ronin app. This integration means you can plan complex shots from your phone and have the gimbal execute them perfectly, which is a huge time saver for solo filmmakers or small crews. Battery life is solid for a gimbal of this size, offering up to 10 hours of continuous use. Charging is fast and convenient via USB-C, so you won't be stuck waiting around for power during shoots. Plus, the RS4 Mini supports pass-through charging, meaning you can power it from a power bank or external source while filming. Connectivity wise, the RS4 Mini pairs seamlessly with the DJI Ronin app over Bluetooth. The app is intuitive and gives you access to advanced controls, firmware updates, and remote operation features. If you're pairing with a compatible camera, you can also control, focus, and record start-stop directly from the gimbal, keeping your hands free to operate the stabilizer smoothly. Another practical feature is the foldable design that makes the RS4 Mini easy to pack and carry. Fits into a compact case or backpack without taking up much space, making it a great travel companion. While the RS4 Mini is aimed at lightweight setups, it doesn't skimp on durability or features. For creators who want professional stabilization in a small portable package, it hits the sweet spot. It's especially suited for YouTubers, travel filmmakers, and vloggers who need high-quality footage without hauling heavy gear, of course. If you're shooting with heavier cinema cameras or need more advanced control options, DJI's larger RS3 and RS3 Pro models might be a better fit. But for most mirrorless shooters and DSLR users, the RS4 Mini offers exceptional value and performance. You've been watching Tap Tech, where we test gear in real conditions, so you know exactly what you're buying.